and hello my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joe? If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic now about all those lecturer we be see that they want Jogodo with different women with that they see before they go pass them for school. My darling people, this one shocked me. Oh, this one shocked me like seriously. Why it be say some of our men may I not understand, especially all those lecturers for school, that they always like to jogodo girls before they pass them. It no good. You understand? And don't they forget it's in a social media life. Now in we day now. Because anything now for social media, and before you do anything, they go set camera for you, they will set you up. Your when you go see your picture for social media and you go shock 10 times. You go shock. You go shock like seriously. My darling people, this topic now one lecturer will be say he know they want use eye see women. They always like to jogodo them before he pass them. Even though you know the book or you don't know him, he go like me be say he go first jogodo you first. He go first enter the Jerusalem before anything, my darling people. So this man now waiting they always they do for school with that one. So my darling people, one day now he come carry one girl. The girl they even beg him. I beg, please, sir. He know saying he know waiting in right. He said no, he must first jogodo this girl first too before anything, you know. So my darling people, now know say that they always do this thing, even when social media never did that time. You don't tell me with the year and some of us will be say some of us will be say we go school. So many people experience this kind of thing, you understand? You just that say shame not go let some of the people come out, you understand? So my darling people, this particular girl come they beg the man say no, say he must jogodo with this girl before anything. So now the girl come set camera. So as he come set camera now, this man can really go they come book hotel where they want for do am, you understand? So the man don't know say camera did there. Now he can begin the jogodo with the girl. Now after everything, now they can see say camera dey. So the man now come dey beg them, I beg, make them not bring the video out, you know. So but pictures dey when the man take do this jogodo of a thing, you understand? So my darling people, why I dey do this topic be say why it be say some all those male those lecturer that they always like to jogodo our girls. It no good. It no good. You get pikin too. If your pikin can't tell you tomorrow, say a lecturer say he want jogodo with am for school first before anything, you go agree. How you go feel? How you go reason am? You reason am say you too see they do am to people, so the thing no go vex you. You understand? E no good. Why e be say people they always like to take advantage of women before anything? E no good, really. E no good. So this man and this grace don't enter his body now. In now one of the example wey be say people supposed to learn from this one now. You will be lecturer wey still dey do this kind of thing. Learn from this man. Oh, I beg anybody wey see this video, help me share am to people. Make them watch, make them see wetin dey happen for the world. You understand? Because for me, e no really good. E no make sense for lecturer to dey jogodo different girls because of say you want pass there for school. You understand? And some of I know say some girls they will be say they don't know anything. That they always fall victim for all those things. Now girls they always make them they do this kind of thing that time, you understand? But some girls they will be say they no book. But this lecturer go say no, I must first jogodo with you before I pass you, before I do anything. It's no good. You understand, my darling people? So when we see this video, I say no, I must talk about this topic. Make people take learn. So you will want to watch the video, help me share the video so that make the whole world hear am. Make people hear am. Say see what they happen for the world. See what they happen. See what people they do. It no good. You understand? It no good because I no see reason we go make a lecturer wey be say e get wife for house. Okay, as you now as your John Thomas when No, they stay one place now. As it don't full everywhere now. How you reason yourself now? How you reason yourself? It not good. Una stop all those things. Una not go here. Una stop to dey do all those things. Una not go here. Una not go here. I don't understand. Really. I don't understand why be say our men they always do this kind of thing to themselves. I don't understand. Eh? How can a man go just sit down, say now to the jogodo different girls they go now anyone they do? Eh? All those lecturer, I don't know what it be una problem. I don't know why una they always do this kind of thing. Eh? This guy beg this man. They say no, he must pay jogodo before anything. You understand? He must pay jogodo. As you want go jogodo now they can't set him up. You see, Anna, my darling people. So this life, if I dey talk and say it no balance, the life no balance. You even finish the school. You want go look for work. They want jogodo you first before they give you work. Why the life be like this? Why? Why this world dey wicked? Why? Why dey wicked like this? Eh? Why the world dey wicked like this? Why people they always do this kind of thing? Why? Eh? You know good. You know good. Me we see the reason things before we go dey do am sometimes. You understand? You know good. How can you imagine some a lecturer, elderly man, go just go dey fool himself like that? Wanna know say wanna dey careful. Na social media life now we dey now. Dey careful for person where you go even dey send your kpekus go give. Dey careful for somebody where you go dey send your John Thomas go give. Yeah. Dey careful because this time trust nobody. Oh. Even your own husband self, you go even dey fear for this social media life where we dey now. Maybe your husband dey travel and go say send kpekus come give me. You go even dey fear. Because this life, I see person wey say your own kpekus go give your husband. Oh. Your husband begin dey check kpekus dey go. Your husband. He begin dey check kpekus they go for everywhere. Your wife kpekus. So how una reason that kind man? How una reason that kind person, my darling people? So the life no balance. E no balance. So lecturer, learn from this one. Lecturer, learn from this one. One of the use una HQ. Use your akanuche. Use your akanuche. I don't know what they worry una. Some men. I don't know what they worry una. My darling people. So, my darling people, that's why I talk this matter rich today. Anything you think about the video, you just leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody, and share this video. Always put thumbs up on my video anytime you watch my video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.